as soon as I went across that corner, no hesitation. As soon as I heard my voice, he attacked me, bro. Like,
Bro, your dog crazy.
bro, that's crazy. I just called OD.
What he said?
So stop recording me, bro.
What he said?
He said, no, it had to be a baby one. I said, no, cuz it wasn't a baby one. About the same size of the shovel. Shit say, shit, wow. I said, he broke the shell, cuz. He said, shit broke the shell. I said, he tore it up like a water bottle. Bro.
Bro, you was scared?
Was I, but my heart still beating, bro. If I hit the shower, bro, I had to sit on the toilet, I had to rejuvenate. I'm like, whoa, that just happened.
Bro, your heart supposed to be beating. That's how you know you're alive, bro.
It jumped out the chest, though.
Oh.
It jumped out the chest. I'm glad it happened before this rain came down. Because we would have been out there playing with it by itself. I'm telling you, I would not be out there.
Bro, you would have been screaming and hollering in the rain. Bro, you would have been screaming and hollering in the rain, bro. Bro.
Oh, my goodness.
Bro, you got to stop being so dramatic, bro. He told me he wanted to go get it. Like he wanted to cook it or something and eat it. I don't know.
That jump broken in half. Ain't no turtle. Your testing from. I said, it was blood. It was blood.
So you know when they go out there, hopefully this rain will wash away whatever remnants of anything that's out there. Bro, where did that turtle come from? Joe Foot just did that. The flower bed Joe Foot just did today.
Right. So I don't know, it probably came from the tree section, just crawled over there. Because it was like ducked down in the grass. But you can see that it's something different to them. You feel me? It's something that's new to them. So of course they're going to be like, what is that? Because I've never seen that in this flower bed. It looks, I don't ran through it and stuff. That shit, his sidekick, right behind the bark.
Yes, they were barking too?
Yeah, that shit was barking when he first seen it. He moved. When I went over there, he started barking. I don't know if it was me or Ancestry triggered moved. One of us triggered him, and he attacked it, boy. He attacked it.
Bro, your dog crazy, bro?
He crazy, bro. And it's never we never taught me how to do like that.
Bro, I don't know what it is about this property, bro. This property got them so aggressive. And he talking about, but he talking about, will he attack me? You damn right he will attack you. Don't you go over here. Don't come in this gate.
I want you to say that we allowed you.
Bro, that's why I got these signs. Right here.
We got 2 signs.
No, we don't, bro. We got 3. Cause I just put one of these up.
Oh, yeah. 3 signs.
Bro, you got to put these signs up out here on the property, bro. You see it? Cause baby.
Dang, my dog just attacked the turtle, dude.
A whole turtle, bro. A whole turtle.
Jit can't be outside with me no more.
He can't?
No, dude.
What you gonna do? Keep the man in the house?
Jit bad. Jit needs a pee pad or something.
A pee pad in the house?
He can't be out the door no more.
Bro, that's a dog.
But Jit can't be out the door.
Bro, that's a dog, though. Cause you don't want me to put you on that, bro. Bro, you don't want me to put you on the chair. Who? Bitch, you to put herself on that, bro. I know she put herself, bro, but I'm just saying, you don't want me to put you, bro, so I got to show him something. I can't just give dead out with talking.
Right, they ain't gonna look at no sign. They say private property, they ain't
Bro,
gonna
that's what it
join
say.
They say private property, why would they want to join it?
Bro, they might think it's a,
No, dude.
one of them things that you join
Where
in.
they come from, where he live?
Right there beside Kim.
Oh, they said the other people came out with sneaky dogs. She was at the gate too.
With sneaky dogs.
So they came from us.
With the saggy looking dogs. Oh, cause you was screaming, that's why I was telling you shut the fuck up.
Dang, bro.
I told you, that's why you talking about, shut your damn mouth. People finna come out and be naked. You doing all that damn screaming and hollering.
That's why he was like, what is it? Because he already knows, what is it? You feel me? He know it's something. We over here screaming like that. We be on our duck dogs is when we screaming, they know it's something for real.
Bro, you screaming and hollering. I'm trying to tell you.
Like, Joe, he said, what is it? I said, I'm turtle. He said, get him away from it. I said, I can't.
Oh my God, right.
They was laughing at me. Like, why you laughing at me? He's like, bro, you so slow, bro.
You so dang on dramatic.
I'm talking to her.
You so dramatic, bro.
I didn't go back to the city.
Bro, so dramatic.
He's laughing at me. Like, that's not funny.
You dramatic about nothing,
No,
bro.
that's not
solar lights that came on. It's almost dark. It's almost time for me to go in the house. Talking about a doggone turtle. It's gonna be frogs, the ruckler.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all don't live out here in Lake County. Lake County still got lake animals.
Oh Lord, bro. I hope the buzzards and stuff don't be coming for the little turtle.
Tomorrow, bright and early. As soon as the sun hit it and cook it up. Oh yeah, they coming.
Bro, you already heard about some stink. It's gonna be stink. A fox last night and a turtle today. They loaded up the family and they moved to Beverly Hills, that is. Swimming pools and move stars. But don't do that on YouTube. But don't do that on YouTube, bro. We on YouTube, bro. It's on YouTube. Bro, don't do that.
Oh, goodness.
My head was hurt. I couldn't, bro. I was laughing too hard because you were being so silly, bro. Because you was just... Then I said it. I was standing saying, ooh. Every time the blue flip it up in the air, he spin around it. I was like, ooh. I couldn't record nothing because it was between laughing at you, trying to figure out and make sure SJ ain't going out the fence.
Oh,
and yeah. Yes. No more.
Blue SJ trying to figure out who at the front gate talking to me. They go fight him through the gate.
Yes. He talking about will they bite. Bro, please don't come in the gate. That's why we got the sign that say beware the dog. Because, yes, he will bite. You do not look like us, bro. The dog will bite you, bro. You have no melanin. Yes. I mean, they do people with no melanin, but they got to know you. You got to know, like, I don't know what it is.
Come around, you feel me?
Yeah, you just can't come in the gate and just come in the gate. No. They are not letting you do that. All right, y'all. I gave y'all the adventures of, I guess you call that babysitting. I don't know what you call it. Well, y'all share my page. Y'all like my page. Y'all subscribe to my page so you can get the ding ding when I upload something new. Because I'm telling you, my stuff going to be kind of funny, catchy, and sometimes it may be a little educational. So come back and join me next time. I'll holla.